Right, hello, afternoon. I'm just got to do this video again because the sound didn't record before. It was on, microphone was on, but it wasn't connected to the. Oh damn it! Now I've kind of made a mistake. I just got to nip in the house and get my other sling. Bloody hell! Oh god! It doesn't seem to matter what I do. There's another bloody plane now. I had some jets earlier on, making a row right above me. Now we've got this thing going over. We've got them cutting. I think they're trying to tell me not to record today. I don't know. So anyway, I've got, this is about my two slings that I sell on eBay. The 5-inch split pouch and the paracord pouch sling, 3 inches long, about 1.5 inches wide. That throws small rocks and stuff. This one throws everything, small rocks, large ammo, whatever. So just put the paracord one down for now. And I've got my split pouch sling and throw some tennis balls. I can over by the wall. You should be able to see it. So let's just have a go and see if we can hit this. You can see when my feet scored the grass because I've already been out here once. But like I said, the sound was on, but it didn't connect to my laptop, so it didn't record the sound. So I'm out here to do it again. So let's just give it a go. There you go. First shot and the can's down. Well, that's the sort of result I want. One shot, one can. So an ideal start. Now, put the can back up. Oh, yeah. This is just a demo of these slings, really. So you can see, well, it don't always work out that way, but first shot, 5-inch split pouch sling, and we hit it. This one, will probably not hit at all. But it's just a demo. So let's just get some of these clay ammo. So this is the sort of thing that will sling. It will throw small rocks and pebbles, probably about 1.5 inches long. These are quite small. These are probably 3/4 of an inch long and about just a 1/2 inch wide, I should think. Let's just have a go and see if we can hit the can with this. On the last video, I did it with a second shot with these. This one, no telling, probably not get nowhere near it. We'll see. Well, that made that pigeon take another route. It was flying towards me, now it's just veered off. So going from one sling to another does vary a bit. So, a little bit high. That's better. So I've got to throw lower with this one. So it's just finding out where to throw. So that's a right height. There you go, got it. So it didn't take many shots. So as you can see, with practice, these slings are pretty good. Pretty good. So 4 or 5 shots with the clay and just one with the split pouch sling. I just got to cut that off and melt that back in. There's a bit of the cord on the inside that's coming out, so it's an easy fix. Just cut it off, get a lighter or some heat, melt it, and it'll close back up. So that's the two slings. This is all about these slings and selling them on eBay. They're both popular, so the choice is yours. Me, I shoot both. I like both, I shoot both. Maybe you want to do the same, one of each. How about that? I'm Neil, and I'll thank you for watching. See you in the next one.